So you've heard me talk till I'm blue in the face about doing film on front-facing areas, you know, pillars, door cups, and areas like that. But if you're going to buy a nice truck like this and you're going to use it for work, which a lot of you do, there's some other areas you definitely want to consider protecting with PPF. So these lower doors are a big area that's often overlooked, right? Most job sites, you're not driving on fully paved roads. You're driving on gravel, dirt, sand, things are getting kicked up. And what's nice is most of your trucks, there's a nice brake line in the lower door. So we can do film on those lower doors from that area down and blend that line in nice. Or if you're constantly walking up to your truck and you're reaching over the bed, you're reaching into the bed, from the sides or from the tailgate, and you're rubbing up against them, right? Like this is a big truck. I'm obviously tall. I'm 6'2", 6'3" on my good days. Reaching into this truck, if I wanted to reach to the very middle, I got to get on my tippy toes and reach in. And this truck is factory high. It's not even lifted. So that's another area that you definitely want to look at protecting. We can do full bedsides, and we can even do your tailgate. Again, these trucks are not cheap. F-250 Platinum, right? It's almost six figures. A lot of your trucks are way up there in the five figures and even low six figures. So film is definitely a good investment to protect it and keep it looking good for years to come. If you're looking to protect your truck, you know who to reach out to. Give me a call or shoot me a text, 337-319-2889. Shoot me an email, carolinasfinestdetailing@gmail.com.